Oh, I had a quick one. Should be very short, but just an update on some of the Pi work that I've demoed before. Not a lot new, but it's continuing to be refined. So, for instance, you can actually do something like change your tooltip now in PyCharts, which you didn't have before. And we've also reworked this menu a bit, so it's hopefully a little bit less buggy and a little more intuitive with your controls in here. So you can play with things like your cutout, your size, and then data labels as usual. So this is getting pretty close. Hoping to ship it in the next couple weeks. So.
Rob, I'll ask the question that every single person that is a customer is watching. Are we going to add the percentage to the tooltip or calculate it, or can we?
I think we can.
Okay,
I'll have to look, but I think we can.
let's try to do that. It gets
Okay.
requested so constantly.
Okay. I will add an issue. I don't know.
Hero.
It probably exists.
The one other thought I have too, and I love it, and thanks for doing it, is if we could tie in the top end grouping stuff that TJ's been doing too, sort of maybe like fire it from the the dimension or swap it out or something like that. It's sort of I sort of don't, it's a half thought, but it'd be awesome to have it be in there.
I would say just use the model for that, right? Or the top end.
Yeah, with the you want the UI to be able to do it. I think you're absolutely right. We definitely want it to be in the model, but maybe it's sort of like the same idea as swapping aggregates and swapping date timeframes and stuff too. We're still using modeled constructs, but basically have easy UI on it.
We can definitely, I can mock something up for that, Rob.
There you go. Okay, sounds good.
I love it. It's great.
All right. See you.